How to link Google Authenticator to your MEXC app. Let's go ahead and start the video. Go ahead and tap on the MEXC app and open it. Click on the profile icon on the top left hand side and tap on security. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on Google Authenticator, then tap on next. Once you do that, you can see your code. Just go ahead and copy the code and click on link. Then you can just go ahead and open the option of Google Authenticator. Once you do that, just go ahead and tap on add a code, tap on enter setup key and paste the key which you added. Then you can just go ahead and name this code name as MEXC and tap on add. Once you do this, the code will be added. You can copy the code and you can paste this code over here. Once you paste the code, you can then click on the first option of get code on your email. What you need to do then is open your email address. There will be a code. Go ahead and copy this code which is there and go back to your MEXC account. Go ahead and paste the code and tap on submit. Once you do this, you can see the verification will pass and the Google Authenticator app will be linked to MEXC. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.